All right. I just did a upload for GoPro test a couple of days ago. We had some settings that were in the previous video. I'm going to try to upload this time with audio, so that you guys can hear what I'm saying. But this time what I've done is I've changed the ND filter, so I've dropped it down to an ND8 filter, which is basically one stop down from the ND16. And what I've done is I put the hyper smooth on, so that we get less shake on the camera. What I'm going to try and do is see how good we can capture the quality, but at the same time without losing the resolution. Because I noticed that with the hyper smooth on, you do get a little bit of that, that blurriness. It's not as sharp as the stabilization goes to work and tries to keep everything nice and smooth on the camera. So this is going to be a short test, a fast run. I'm heading over for a lunch meeting. And yeah, so the only real settings changed here so far have been the hyper smooth on and the ND. Now I noticed that the ND filter I used last time, which is the ND16, that was a little bit too strong, if you will. So I'm hoping here we'll have a much smoother image. Hold on. Alright, that was pretty damn fast. So yeah, also one of the things as well is the audio. As you can see right there, I'm using an external Bluetooth audio recorder. The reason for that is because there's no real easy way to connect audio to your Bluetooth while you're, audio to your GoPro without having to cut and rewire and do all kinds of stuff that I don't want to do. I do have the mic extension, the audio extension that allows me to plug in a mic, but again, it's a big clunky box that I don't really want to deal with. So what I've done is I've connected my Sena FS2 Bluetooth intercom system with this free Android app that records the mic, all the audio separately from the video. So we're going to see how that goes. Even at speed, it should still perform pretty good. Yep, I'm going pretty fast right now, and I think hopefully you should be able to pick up my audio relatively smoothly. There we go. There we go. So hopefully with these few small adjustments we can get top quality video and audio onto these GoPro videos. Again, this is all testing for future video work. I'm trying to see the limits of the GoPro and how far we can take it. Now obviously my intention is to pick up the GoPro Hero 10 in the very near future, but I really want to see what the maximum gain is from the Hero 8, which is still a very formidable camera. It shoots in 4K 50 frames per second, which is awesome. I know the new cameras shoot in 60 FPS, and then the GoPro 10 obviously has that new M2 chip or whatever it's called. Alright, we're having a lot of fun here. It's getting a little bit warm, a little toasty. little bit toasty, but the weather is definitely getting better in Dubai. Things are starting to get much better. Hopefully we just keep on getting the better weather through the next few months. Oh, this is a little bit tighter than I thought, but hey, we are through. Alright. Hopefully, in this video we've smoothed things out. We've got the full effect here with the audio and the video, resulting in much better quality footage than before. But again, I'll let everyone here be the judge of that. All right, we made it. Like I said, it's still a little bit toasty, but the weather is definitely getting better. I'm starting to feel much cooler wind coming through. Definitely an improvement. If you can get to where you're going dry, then there's really no reason for you to complain. This has been always the biggest challenge, is getting where you need to go dry, especially in Dubai. So even in the winter, we still get humidity. We still get a certain amount of humidity that makes it uncomfortable to use these things when you're heading off to meetings. But yeah, let's see. Things are changing. All right, perfect parking spot for me. All right, and that concludes this test. Let's see how things go later. Sayonara.